Hi guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create classes. So by doing this, it will be easy for you to locate your class when you're going into your gradebook, and that way you don't have to remember the sequence of your class when you are opening your gradebook. So the first step is you should have your groups, and if you have your groups, the second step is to create your class. So how you're going to create your class is go to students, go to manage classes. So you can see like I already have these classes. I have created one. So I'm going to tell you how to create the class. So you can click on that tab to create a class, and you can name your class like mine is honors biology, then give the period, which period is that, and your name. So and click hit create. I'm going to cancel it because already have that class is made. So you create and also add this checkbox whichever subject you are in. So I'll put science. So first create by naming your class, then hit whatever subject area you are in, and then hit create. So when you do that, you will see all those classes which you have created will be here. Now you can see I already have students in my classes, and see in sixth period I don't have any student. So I'm going to allocate the student in these classes. So the next step is when you go to, let's go back to the home button. Now go to students, go to the option manage students, click on that. Now it's going to open all those students in Nogales High School. Now you have to add the students in your class. So go to the filter drop down and go to groups. And let's suppose I'm going to add students in my sixth period. So this is going to be the group which I have already created. So it says Kumar's P6, that means sixth period. So I'm going to click on that. And if when I click on that, it will give me all those students up down here. Now my next thing is to select all these students by selecting the top box, and it's going to select all those students in from your group 6. Now you're going to allocate these students into the class. So how you're going to do that is go to this second option which says add to classes. Click on the drop down menu, and it will open all those classes which you have created in the second step. And this is my sixth period, so I'm gonna add to this is honors biology period 6 and hit the plus button. So by doing this, you have allocated all those students in your sixth period in class 6 which you have created. By creating your class and allocating the students in that class will make your job easy to locate the class and generate report from your gradebook. So let's see how it's going to help. Go to your gradebook and go to classes. So let's suppose I want to open my honors biology period 4. Let's do is science, and you will see it will give you option for that. That's uh, semester 1. Now it's gonna open all those students. You can just see all of these progress report from just one click, and you don't have to look for the sequence of your class when you're going for the grade book. So hope it helps.